online classes. So in the last class we have studied the lesson that is the request. So in this class we shall start our next lesson that is water versus everybody, which is your 7th lesson. Okay students, and this lesson is scripted by Mara. So then what do you mean by versus? So you guys are very familiar with this word versus. So whenever there is a cricket match or some other sports, so they will be telling that, right? India versus Australia. So some team versus, okay, some other team. So here versus means opposite. Okay, versus means opposite. So here water versus everybody. Then who is everybody here? Everybody means we people. Okay, we human beings. Okay, water opposite to everybody. Everybody means we people, human beings. Okay students, water opposite to everybody, which is water versus everybody. Students, you already know that 70% of the earth is covered by water. So and only 30% is land. So if we consider only water on the earth surface, okay, if we consider water has 100% on the earth surface, in that 97% of the water is salt water, which we can get in sea or oceans. Okay, 97% is salt water and 2% of the water is which we get in the ice form. Okay, ice means which we get in Himalayas, Antarctica, so which is already in the ice. So only 1% of the water which we get in river, lakes, okay, and dams, some other sources. So only 1% of the water we are getting in the form of lakes and rivers. So nowadays what we are doing, we human beings, we are polluting this water. So we are overusing this water and we are polluting this water. So we throw many waste materials into the water. We leave industrial chemicals into the water. So here water is getting polluted day by day and year by year. So and the rate of the water is decreasing day by day. So last year there was so much rain, but not this year. So next year the rate of water will be decreasing. So like this, year by year the water rate is decreasing. So who is responsible for this? So we the people. So we the people are responsible for this. We are cutting the trees and we are polluting the nature. So by this, day by day, our nature is destroying. So if this continues, we will not get sufficient water. Okay, we will not get sufficient water and we have to fight. We have to fight for even a single drop of water. So this lesson, okay, this lesson water versus everybody says that how we are misusing the water and how we have to conserve the water and how we have to use water in a proper way. So here in this lesson, if all the water sources have complained against everybody. Okay, everybody means here we only. Okay, we people. Everybody means we people. So here the water resources, okay, water sources are complained against everybody. Okay students, let's go to the lesson and see how we are misusing this water and what is that complaint. Okay students, open your textbook, open page number 54. So before going to the lesson, first I will read the lesson once. Listen to me carefully.
Water versus Everybody, Mara. Introduction. Everybody's Water has been scripted by Mara, a group which combines media and arts to address the various needs and problems experienced by society. Mara is a part of School Water Portal, which is an online platform that works with students, educators, organizations, government departments, and the general public to spread awareness about water management. Scene 1. Woman wakes up to brush her teeth. She turns on the tap. There is no water. Farmer goes to the water his crop in the field, but there is no water in the well. Woman goes to the hand pump to fill the water, and there is no water. Young man goes to the pot of drinking water, but the pot is empty. Scene 2. TV journalist. Breaking news. Live and exclusive on Earth TV. All the water has disappeared from our planet. All water bodies have filed a case against everybody. Everybody must be present at the court hearing today. Scene 3. Meeting of water sources. Ocean. Old, serious. For centuries now, we have been misused by everybody. It is about time we stop all supplies. Because if everybody continues to treat us badly, we will be finished. The others clap to show they agree. Rainfall. Angry. If only they had saved some of me, nobody would have suffered. Lake. Sad and fragile. I used to have so many shades of green and blue. These days, sir, my color are changing from blue-green to grey sludge. I am filled with harmful, smelly chemicals. All my fishes are dying. Groundwater, in a resigned tone. Everybody wants to chase me out. Everybody wants to drink me up. I try to hide in a little corners, but every time I hide, a new borewell comes and draws me out. I am getting tired of this hide and seek because I lose all the time. I am not a magic whistle with an endless supply. See, calm. Everybody needs us. We just have to understand each other. I know so many peoples who have sung song to me, written poems about me, comes to my shores every time and sunsets. Everybody is not bad. Let's tell everybody how we feel and solve this problem. Water tap. Let's face it. If peoples didn't have water, would we be happy? If nobody used us, of what use would we be? We need everybody just as much. Everybody needs us.
So this is how we have to read the lesson. Practice in your home. First we shall see what is there in the introduction part. Introduction. Everybody's Water has been scripted by Mara, a group which combines media and arts to address the various needs and problems experienced by society. So everybody's water means this is only water versus everybody. So this is a scripted by Mara. Okay. This is a play, means it is like a drama. Okay. This is scripted. This is written by Mara. Mara means it is one of the group. Okay. Which combines media. Media means newspapers, TV channels. So all the medias are there. No, it combines media and arts. Okay. So what is this group? Okay, this group is for to address various needs and problems faced by the society. Okay, this groups publishes the needs and problems experienced by the society. Mara is a part of School Water Portal, which is an online platform that works with students, educators, organizations, government departments and the general public to spread awareness about water management. So this Mara group has become the part of School Water Portal. So this School Water Portal is a online platform, okay, which works with students, educators, organizations, some of the organizations, government departments like water department, some government departments and general public. Okay, general public means we, to spread awareness about water management. So the characters in this lesson are woman, farmer, young man, TV journalist, ocean, rainfall, lake, water in a bottle, groundwater, water, sea, water tap, rainfall, somebody, everybody and judge. So these are all the characters that are played in this lesson. So there are 4 scenes in this lesson. Okay. So in each scene different situations will go on. So now let's go to the lesson and see what happens in the scene 1. Scene 1. Woman wakes up to brush her teeth. She turns on the tap. There is no water. So in the scene 1, what happens? A woman, okay, a woman wakes up. So everybody, so daily we wake up, right? So like that, a woman wakes up and she want to brush her teeth, but there is no water. So next, farmer goes to water his crops in the field, but there is no water in the well. Plants need water, right? So the farmer wakes up and he want to water his crops. Okay, so he went to the field, but there is no water in the well. Woman goes to hand pump to fill the water, and there is no water. So another woman go to hand pump. Okay, so to get the water, but there is no water. Young man goes to the pot to drink the water, but the pot is empty. The young man, okay, the young man go to the pot. Okay, he want to drink the water, so he had went near the pot, but there is no water in that pot. So this is all will happen in the scene 1. So everywhere there is no water. Where the woman want to brush her teeth, but there is no water. There is no water for farmer, and there is no water in the hand pump. There is no water in the pot to drink. So imagine if there is no water. So we can't even live half an hour or 1 hour without water. Every day, every minute we need water to drink, to wash our clothes, to industries. So there are so many uses of water. So without water, plants cannot grow. So here in the scene 1, what happened? Everywhere there is no water at all. Okay. Next we shall see what happened in the scene 2. Scene 2. TV journalist. TV journalist means the one who reads the news. Okay students. Breaking news, live and exclusive on Earth TV. So here whenever you want the news channels, if there is any special news, so there you can hear these words. Breaking news, live, exclusive on Earth TV. So here there is a Earth TV. Okay. In Earth TV, the TV journalist is telling this. Breaking news, live and exclusive. Exclusive means they had given the meaning reported by only one channel. Okay. So the news that is telecasted, okay, in that only one channel. So it is there they will be telling that it is exclusive news. Okay. In that only one news channel, that news will be telecasting. Okay. So there they will use the word that is exclusive. So here also on Earth TV, okay, they are using this breaking news, live and exclusive. Then what is that news? See here. All the water has disappeared from our planet. All the water bodies have filed a case against everybody. Everybody must be presented at the court hearing today. So everybody, in the scene 1 there will be no water, right? So that news is telecasting in the scene 2, that is on Earth TV. It is telecasting. What they are telling? All the water has been disappeared. Means wherever we go, we cannot find the water. All the water is disappeared from our planet. All the water bodies have filed a case against everybody. So all the water bodies, so that is the ocean, sea, water, lake and groundwater. So all the water bodies have filed a case against everybody. Everybody means a character who represents mankind, means we, okay, we the people. Everybody means we the people. So here water bodies have filed a case against everybody. Everybody must be presented at the court hearing today. So everybody must be presented, okay, at the court hearing. Court hearing means the proceeding in a court of law, means you will be listened, right? In court hearing, you everybody must come to the court, and the judge will decide the matter, okay. So this is all happened in the scene 2. The scene 2 happened in a TV channel, okay, in the news channel. So now what happened in the scene 3? See here. Scene 3, meeting of water sources. So here the water sources gather together and they are in a meeting. Then what are these water sources? Water sources means those ocean, lake, water in a bottle, groundwater, water, sea, water tap, rainfall. So wherever we get the water, those are all we called as water sources. So here the water sources have gathered and they started meeting. Then what they are discussing in the meeting? See here. Ocean, old and serious. So ocean, you know that oceans are very big, right? So it represents, now here ocean represents our elders like grandfather, grandmother. So it is very old and very serious. What it is saying? For the centuries now, we have been misused by everybody. Centuries means 100 years, right? So here for 100 years, for the centuries, we have been misused by everybody. We have been misused by everybody. Everybody means we people. It is about time we stop all supplies, because if everybody continues to treat us badly, we will be finished. So it is the time, it is the right time to stop all the supplies, means we should stop giving the water to all the people. The ocean is telling this, okay. So if everybody treat us badly, we will be finished. So we should stop giving water to everybody. Who says this? The ocean is telling to all the water sources. So imagine in a factory all the workers are treating badly by the owner or a boss. So what the worker will feel? So they feel very bad and they do not feel to work there, isn't it? Here also the same, okay. All the water sources have treated badly by us. So they decided to stop the supplies and they filed case against us, okay. So let's see what others will discuss. The others clap to show they agree. The other water sources, they clap each other, okay, to show that they agree. Means we agree to that ocean. What the ocean is telling, we agree that. So they are clapping. So rainfall, angry. So the rainfall is in angry. The rainfall is very angry on everybody. What it is saying? If they save some of me, nobody would have suffered. So if they saved, they means who here? Everybody. So if we saved some of the rainwater, so this situation, nobody would have suffered. Means this situation will not rise at all. So who said this? Rainfall. The rainfall is very angry. So next, the lake. Okay. So by listening this, what the lake started to say? Lake, sad and fragile. So the lake is very sad and it is fragile. Fragile means weak, delicate. Okay, it is very weak. The lake became very weak and sad. Okay, I used to have so many shades of green and blue. So if you have seen the green lake, so there will be plants, right? So here the lake says, I used to have so many shades of green and blue. Okay, so the water, because the water is of blue color and those plants are green color. These days, sir, my color are changing from blue green to grey sludge. So these days means nowadays, from past few years, my color, okay, my color is changing. My color means lake color is changing from blue green to grey sludge. Okay, grey sludge means mud colored. Okay, it is changing. The lake color is changing from blue green to grey sludge. Okay, means grey and mud colored. I am filled with harmful smelly chemicals. Means I am filled with, the lake is filled with harmful and smelly chemicals because the industries are leaving chemicals directly, okay, the waste chemicals directly to the lakes and rivers. So here the lake became very smelly and it turned to harmful. All my fishes are dying. So due to that harmful chemicals, the fishes in the lake are dying. So the lake is very sad and it became very weak. So by listening to the lake, the underground water means which is occurred, which we get under the ground, okay, that started to say in a resigned tone. Resigned means having no option but to accept something that is not wanted. Here the groundwater is not having any other option. Okay, so it is telling, what it is telling, everybody wants to chase me out. So everybody means people wants to chase me out. Everybody wants to drink me up. So everybody wants to drink me. So here who is saying this? Groundwater. I try to hide in little corners, but every time I hide, a new borewell comes and draws me out. So I try to hide. I means here groundwater. The groundwater is saying that he is trying to hide. Okay, he is trying to hide in the corner. Okay, in some corner, but every time I hide. So every time I hide in the corner, a new borewell. Okay, so a new borewell comes and draws me out. A new borewell comes and so they draw me out. So nowadays what happened, wherever you see there will be bore, okay, in the fields, in front of the home, okay. So here in some places you will get the water and in some places you will not get the water. Okay, here the groundwater is very tired of this hide and seek and he's telling that I am trying to hide at the corner, at some corner, but whenever I hide, so a new borewell comes there and it draws me out. I am getting tired of this hide and seek. I am tired. Okay, the groundwater is very tired of this hide and seek because I lose all the time. Why it is sad? Because the groundwater lose all the time. Because wherever we keep the bore, we will get the water. So here the groundwater is very tired of this hide and seek. So he is trying to hide. So whenever he hide, a new borewell a new borewell comes there and it draw out the water, right? So here the groundwater is very tired of this hide and seek. I am not a magic vessel with an endless supply. So I am not a magic vessel. So here the magic vessel means whatever you keep in that vessel, so you will get those, right? If you keep one banana in that magic vessel, so you will get so many bananas. So you might have seen in the movies, right? So here the groundwater says, I am not that magic vessel to supply to the endless supply. So I am also tired of this hide and seek. Someday I might also get empty. So I am not that magic vessel to supply. Okay. So now we shall see what sea says. Sea, calm. Okay. The sea is very calm. Everybody needs us. Means in a calm tone it says everybody needs us. The sea knows. Okay. Everybody needs us. Everybody means people needs us. We just have to understand each other. Means we both, means people and water, we both should understand each other. I know so many people who have sung songs to me, written poems about me, come to my shores every time the sun sets. So many singers have sung song to me and many poets have written poems about me. So some of the people come to my seashore, okay, come to beach to see sunset. Okay, everybody needs us. Who is saying this? Sea is saying this. Everybody is not bad. So the sea knows everybody is not bad. Everybody is not same. All the peoples are not same. Let's tell everybody how we feel and solve this problem. So here the sea is telling, let's solve this problem. Okay. So let's tell the people how we feel. Okay. How we are getting misused. Okay. Let's tell to the people and solve this problem. And if we get solution, let's solve this matter. So the water tap means tap water is telling, let's face it. Let's face the problem. If people didn't have water, would we be happy? So if people is not having the water, so we shall be happy. So it is questioning to all other water sources. If nobody used us, of what use would we be? We need everybody just as much as everybody needs us. So if nobody used us, if nobody used the water, then what is our use? Okay, then what is our use? So we also need everybody as much as everybody needs us. So here both also should be equal. We should not treat the water badly. So this is all the water sources have discussed in the meeting. Okay, the question is telling that we should stop the supplies. If this continues, we will be finished. So the rainwater in angry, it told that if they have saved some of me, nobody would have suffered. So if for that lake in a weak, okay, in a sad and fragile, it says that, so my color is changing from blue-green to grey sludge. So the groundwater says, I am tired of this hide and seek. Every time I hide, so a new borewell comes there and draws me out. So by listening all this, the sea, okay, in a calm tone, it told that everybody are not same. So let's face the problem and let's tell everybody how we feel. Okay. So the tap water says, yes, if nobody use hers, so what's the use of hers? Okay. Let's face the problem and everybody We also need everybody as everybody needs us. Who said this? Tap water. So this is all the water sources discussed in a meeting. Okay. So this is all about the today's class. So in the next class we shall see what happens in the scene 4. So the scene 4 is at court room. Okay students. So in the court what happens and what all the discussion will go. So we shall discuss in the next class. Thank you.